Why throw out a man with no wedding robe? Did you imagine why the king drove away a man with no wedding garment? We are talking about a parable in Matthew chapter 22, verses 1 to 14, and how foolish it is to ignore a invitation for a royal wedding. In this video, you will discover the fault of this man who did not wear a wedding robe. Moreover, you will discover why he got kicked out from the wedding hall. We will also talk about wedding as a metaphor for relationship with God. I am Father Feroz Fernandez and thank you for being on the channel. I welcome you, and in a special way, if you have not subscribed, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and give me your likes and comments. And together, let us promote the gospel. And without wasting time, let us continue. In Matthew chapter 22, verses 1 to 14, Jesus tells about a parable of the wedding feast. As the parable unfolds, the king is inviting people for his son's wedding. Imagine you are getting an invite for a royal wedding, like a wedding of Prince William and Kate Middleton. This invitation evokes a memory of a grand royal wedding. It's an event of the season, and it would be considered foolishness if we refuse, insult, and ignore this invitation. But those invited for this royal wedding refuse to attend. Moreover, like the wicked tenants in the parable of the vineyard, they seized the servants who were sent to invite them, mistreated them, and killed them. But unlike the parable of the wicked tenants, here the king immediately takes action on those who mistreated his servants. When those invited failed to attend a wedding, the king decided to go ahead with his party, and he invited the good and the bad to fill the wedding hall. But then something weird happens. The king notices a man without a wedding robe. The man had nothing to justify himself, no reason. He was speechless. So the king ordered the man to be thrown out into a dark place. This is a difficult text. What is the fault of the man with no wedding garment? His fault, many people say, is that he was poor and he could not afford one, or he did not have the time to get dressed for the wedding. But I tell you, these are excuses in the wrong direction, will not lead us to discover the message. Why was the man kicked out of the wedding hall? Matthew is talking about worthiness before God. It is not an ethical issue, as good and the bad were brought into the wedding hall. And this is not something that I want to share with you. Matthew is talking about an eschatological purpose, the urgency to recognize and respond appropriately to God's invitation. But that does not answer our question. What was the fault of the man with no wedding garment? Now listen to this carefully. When a host invites a guest for his son's wedding, it was customary to offer a wedding dress for the attendees. In Semitic and some Asian cultures, this tradition of offering a wedding garment to the attendees still exists. Some of you must have witnessed that a host of the family is offering a wedding dress to his family members to attend the wedding. It is this type of idiosyncrasy that is needed for us to understand the fault of the man for not wearing the wedding garment. And now you may ask, if the wedding dress was provided, why did this man refuse to wear the wedding garment? That's the question in the right direction. The wedding is a kingdom metaphor for a relationship with God. It is the worthiness to recognize the invitation and respond to it with top priority. It is very inclusive. because good, the bad, the ugly had gathered into the wedding hall. But this radical inclusiveness comes to an abruptness, and it halts as the king discovered a man without a wedding robe when it was being provided to him free of charge. You will be surprised that the issue is not about men's clothing, it is the worthiness to present ourselves for the final judgment. Why would the man refuse to wear the garment for the final extravaganza? The king took an offense. When the garment was provided free, the man refused to wear it. If you follow Galatians 3:27, the man failed to put on Christ. He failed to value holiness. The parable tells us that God is not going to accept the rebellion of the unrighteous. The unprepared guest is made equal to those who refuse the invitation for the wedding banquet. His failure is enjoying the party when things were provided to him. Once you come in, there are standards. You cannot act as if nothing is happening. This is a special event. Thank you for watching this entire video. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell that you don't miss out any of my videos, and give me a like and a comment, and let us promote the gospel together. And see you in the next video. God bless you.